Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make something totally unbelievably delicious, brownies. So we're going to start off by making the cookie dough layer. So we're going to place butter and brown sugar along with also some white sugar into your mixing bowl, and you're going to beat that on medium-high speed just until they're combined. Then we're going to crack in our egg and you want to beat that through. Now we don't need to get loads of air into this, we just need everything to be combined. Then we're going to chuck in some vanilla extract and also some plain flour, mix that through. Now if you want all the details of ingredients and quantities, they will be in the description box below. When they're nearly mixed through, we're going to chuck in our chocolate chips. Once your cookie dough is all combined and smooth, we're going to place that into our 9x9 baking tin and we're just going to spread that out with a spatula. Then we're going to line up our Oreos, and I used about 1.5 packets for this. And once they're all done, we're going to get on with making the brownie layer. So into a nice big bowl, we're going to combine our eggs and our caster sugar, and we're going to whisk those with our whisk until they're just a little bit pale. Meanwhile, we're going to place the butter and cocoa powder into a smaller bowl, pop it up into the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute, and you're just going to stir that until you get a nice smooth paste. You're going to pour that into your egg mixture and mix that through. And then finally we're going to follow that with some flour and fold that through. And then we're just going to pour that all the way over our Oreos and just spread that out to the edges, and this is just delicious. The combination of the cookie dough and the Oreos and the brownies is just amazing. We're going to bake that at 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And once it's cooked, let it cool completely, then we're going to chop that up, and I've chopped up into 16 pieces. And that is literally it. It's honestly so simple and it yields such amazing results. If you've loved this video, please make sure you give this recipe a go, and if it works out well, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. You can click here to see my last video and here to see a video randomly selected by YouTube for you.